Hello YouTube, let's talk about names for variables. Here is the situation. Right here I'm using just word, so we don't have any kind of numbers here at the start, and these numbers, they're just packed into this kind of box. So when I run this script, everything will be fine, okay? But there are rules in JavaScript. You cannot have any kind of numbers at the start of name for variable. So let me try to run this thing. Refresh, and there you go, no results. So please remember, no numbers at the start of name of variable. Okay, so here's the question: can you use any other weird symbols like for example star? Is that allowed? Well, let's test that, and the result will be none. So you cannot use special symbols here that you have on your keyboard after first level of letters. Okay, so you cannot use hash and so on and so on. So what can you use? Well, you can use only letters, uppercase or lowercase, and the thing will work. See? Or you can use underscore, that will work. Okay, see, there is a result. And you can also use dollar symbol, and that will also work. So please note, just letters or dollar symbol or underscore, that will work, nothing else will work. Okay, so that's one rule. Another rule is, if you are using lowercase here, s, you cannot use uppercase s down there. We are talking about two different variables. This thing is defined, you have some kind of value here, but down there this thing doesn't exist. So result will be pretty much nothing here. So if you have lowercase here, lowercase down there, uppercase here, uppercase down there. Okay, so next thing is, can you have numbers somewhere inside of name of variable, like 444 here and 444 here? Will that work? Yes, that will work. And also if you have numbers at the end of your variable, that will also work. See, we have a result, but you cannot have numbers here at the start of name of your variable. Okay, so these are some of the rules. Now another thing is, let me just simplify this example. For name of variable, you cannot use things that are covered in JavaScript stone. I mean keywords. Okay, so things that are like integral part of your programming language, like for example var. You cannot say var here. This is stupid. This will not work. Okay, see, save, and this thing will not work. See, there you go. You cannot also use here other keywords like null. Null just basically means when you are using, we're gonna talk about that too, just in a split of a second. So you cannot use null. See, no results. You cannot use, for example, false. This is integral part of JavaScript and many other programming languages. Save, refresh, and you cannot use true here. Okay, save, refresh, no results. So every time when you see colors that are same with var, I mean in syntax highlighting, if your editor use that thing, you cannot use these things. So another question: what is that null thing? Well, here's the situation. If you have some variable sum and you say null here as a value, and if you want to print it down there, the result will be pretty much null. And here's the thing: what is this? What this even means? That means that there is no real value dedicated in this kind of box, but still this thing is reserved into your script, into memory of your PC. It is waiting to be populated with some concrete stuff. Why? Because you will put value here a little bit later in execution of your script when you are working on that thing more. So you will run into the same thing in MySQL database. Basically, when you have null field, that means there is nothing there for now, but there is a great chance that that thing will be populated in future. That is very important thing to understand. Okay, this is a keyword, the integral part of JavaScript programming language. So please note that this is not zero. No. This is a place that may be populated in the future. If you say 0 here, and when you want to run this script, you will get 0 as a result. This is a number. But a null, this is not character, this is not integer, this is not string. This is just a blanco space that may be populated in future. Okay? So that's pretty much it in this tutorial. Just remember that as a start here you can use where is it? Damn it. $. You can use lower line, underscore, underscore, and you can just use uppercase or lowercase letters, and that's it, nothing else. So you're probably confused. Will you be able to remember that? Don't worry about that. If you messed something with that, you will not see results into your browser, so you will know where to search to correct that error. Don't pressure yourself, okay? You will run into this kind of stuff, but after a couple of weeks or days even practicing, it depends how focused you are, you will get that feeling what you need to put where, and you will start developing that intuition as a real programmer. So don't worry about that, okay? You will run into errors, and that's good, because that means that you can correct your way of thinking about your source code. So just chill, be cool, and thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.